Alright, today we're going to turn this into a two-piece backlit sign. First we draw the trucks. I draw them with a pen because that takes too long to draw that in vectors. And the letters are the same way. Then we vectorize that, bring in the image, sketch in the building, get rid of the image, and it's got a back layer in blue. And I'm going to show this with a translucent diffuse layer in red with cutouts around the letters and the lights where I want the light to really shine through. Like so. And the metal will be on top of that. The question is where to put the lights. You could hollow out the diffuse layer and put the lights in there, but that's not much room for lighting under the truck and around the letters. So I would tweak this design a little bit, make the doors smaller, make this border much wider, and bring a border down around the bottom to conceal more lights and have more coverage. Either way, the translucent layer is optional. You can't cut that with plasma, but it probably looks a lot better from the side. And depending on how you make it, you can mount the lights and route the wires in that layer. And you can get very creative with the diffuse layers. But that's all for now. If you find this worth watching, then I hope you find it worth a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.